Hey everyone, who wants to learn the ABCs?
Yay! Miss, can we play a game?
Yes, Ollie. What do you want to play?
An alphabet hunt. I'll hide the letters in the classroom and we all can build this pyramid again.
Sure!
Let's go!
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S. Just a few more. You're doing very well. T U V W X Y and Z. Voila! That was fantastic, kids! Now, let's sing it together!
Yay! A, B, C, D, E, F, G H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P Q, R, S, T, U, V W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Well, here we are at the supermarket. Hey guys, have you ever noticed how many amazing colors there are in the world?
There are so many colors everywhere. Over here and over there.
Well, what are your favorite colors?
Let's take turns. Who first? Me. Green, green, I love green. It's my favorite color I've ever seen. Broccoli is always green. Broccoli, artichokes are green. Lettuce and kale and spinach are green. Even my green beans are green. Green, green, I love green.
Who's next?
Me, please. Blue, blue, I love blue. It's my favorite color.
It's mine.
On a sunny day, the sky's blue. And the big white sea is blue. From space, the planet Earth is blue. And so is Lola's outfit too. Blue, blue, I love blue.
It's your turn, Ollie. I think I know what your favorite color is.
Red, red, I love red. It's my favorite color. Red, red, red. Cherries and strawberries are red. Yummy, juicy apples are red. Little ladybugs are red. And old McDonald's barn is red. Red, red, I love red.
My turn. Yellow, yellow, I love yellow. It's the favorite color of this here fellow. Tasty, sweet bananas are yellow. Juicy, sour lemons are yellow. Corn on the cob is yellow. The yolk in a chicken's egg is yellow. Sorry. Yellow, yellow, I love yellow.
There are colors everywhere, over here and over there. So many colors in the world to see, all for you.
Johny Johny,
Yes, Papa.
eating sugar?
No, Papa.
Are you sure?
Yes, Papa.
Open your mouth.
Baby Dewey. Yes, brother. Eating sugar. No, brother. Telling lies. No, brother. Open your mouth. Ha ha ha. Baby Dewey. Yes, sister. Eating sugar. No, sister. Telling lies. No, sister. Open your mouth. Ha ha ha. Baby Dewey. Yes, mommy.
Eating sugar?
No, mommy.
Are you sure?
Yes, mommy.
Open your mouth.
Ha ha ha.
Baby Dewey,
Yes, Papa.
eating sugar.
No, Papa.
Are you sure?
Yes, Papa.
Open your mouth.
Ha ha ha.
Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Johny Johny Yes Papa.
Johny Johny Yes Papa, eating candy no papa, telling lies no papa, open your mouth ha ha ha. Johny Johny Yes Papa, eating candy no papa, telling lies no papa, open your mouth ha ha ha.
The Finger Family.
Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?